Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how we can download YouTube videos on PC safely so that you can just go for and access the videos even offline. So let's get started. So we can start by using the premium version of YouTube for that. So you can head over to youtube.com/premium and hit enter, and you should be taken to the official site. And if you have not subscribed, here you'll be finding different plans available. So you can choose a plan here. You can select this option of trying 1 month for $0. And when you do, it should give you an option to choose your plan. You can select individual, family, student, any of the one that you prefer. And just go over and select this option to try 1 month and go on with the process of payment. After that is done, you can just go over and find the video that you want to play. So go over to youtube.com for that and find the video that you would like to download. And once you've found the video, all you gotta do is find this option called download. So select download, and after you select download, if you've subscribed to the premium version, you will be finding the video with a very good quality, which is 1080 and 720. And these are two options you can select it. You just need to have the premium version for that. But usually, you can only download videos if the user has allowed it, if the YouTuber has allowed it. So you can find the download option and click on it. And even for free, you can download the video, but you will be having a lower quality, which is standard and low. So you can select one of the options available and select this option to download. If you select that option, the video will start downloading, and you can just go over and look out for the menu option at the top left and select it. And when you do, you may scroll down and select the option of playlist and open it up. When you open up a playlist here in this download section, you will usually find it downloads. So select it up, and this is the downloaded video that is available. Once the other video is downloaded, you will be finding it right in this playlist section. And these are the options which are accessible even when you're offline. So you can just go and access these videos or look out for this download option directly. And there you should be finding the video that's downloaded. And you can just go over and do so. For offline use, you can use it, and that's it. You can just go over and do so. Apart from that, if you want to download, there are third-party applications available for offline viewing, but it is usually not recommended because there is copyrighted issues. So you can follow this process if you want to do it legally. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.